In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily edit and update your published Bolt.new website, no coding needed. If you've already launched a site with Bolt.new and want to make quick changes without touching code, this walkthrough is for you. We'll move from opening the builder to pushing your updates live in just a few clicks, keeping everything simple and stress-free. First, head over to the Bolt AI Builder by opening bolt.new in your browser. This takes you to your workspace, where all your projects are organized. Think of this as your control center. It's where you can jump back into anything you've built and manage it with a clean visual interface. Next, choose a published project you want to update. You'll typically see which projects are live by looking for a published indicator or a live link next to the project. Click into that project to open it in the editor. You're not creating something new here. You're stepping into the existing site to make improvements. Now, make your changes. Inside the editor, click on any text to rewrite headlines or paragraphs, swap out images, adjust buttons and links, or refine entire sections to better tell your story. Use the side panels to update colors, spacing, and typography, so everything stays consistent with your brand. Take your time to review each page you want to refine. The great thing is that your edits here are safe to explore. Nothing affects the live site until you publish. If you try something and don't love it, undo or tweak it without worry. When your edits look right, click on Publish. You'll find the Publish button in the top right area of the editor. Because the project is already live, Publish means you're preparing an updated version rather than launching from scratch. This step gets your changes ready to go live in a clean, controlled way. Finally, click on Update to confirm and deploy your changes. Bolt.new will package everything and push it to your live site. This usually takes just a moment. Once it's complete, visitors will see the latest content, styling, and fixes right away. If you made copy changes, design tweaks, or swapped out images, those updates are now reflected across your published pages. And that's it. You visited the builder, selected your live project, made your edits, hit publish, and confirmed with update. No coding needed, and your site stays fresh and accurate in minutes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your website up to date the easy way.